Well, guys, I couldn't help it. I threw the saddle on the lathe. This is the first time it's been installed on the lathe in probably 13 years, maybe longer. And I'm pretty happy with how this is going. So there she is. This bed has that I've been rusted a whole bunch in the past patina. But this has been cleaned with steel wool and oil. Got it put on the center of the bed, and we can see that step near the bottom? You can see that's a wear ridge, where at the very, very bottom of the bed, it's not worn and it's kind of a lighter color, and then you can see where the saddle's been riding, right? So and then if you look, it diminishes, of course, to nothing. And you get into the quick change box. So when you get there, as best I can measure, that difference in height is 1 thou and 1/4, 1 thou and 2/10. So there's some wear on the bed, not a lot. So what I got here is that my indicator, the magnets on the bed and the actual indicators on the wing of the saddle. And I wanted to see if this thing had crab or up and down or whatever. And I'm gonna lift this up and down, and you can kind of see here. Let me focus in. It's like 0, 2, and a 3, almost 3, a little beyond 0. So I'm going to say this has got about 2.5, 3 thousandths of height deviation, right? From the rocking of the bed. 0-ish, 3-ish, 3-ish. So that's because there's sway in the bed and wear in the bed. And I've done this test on the back corner, the opposite corner, and the opposite front here. And it's all about between 2 and 3 thousandths of up and down. See, if I lift it. So it's swaying in that wear area. Now, down by the tailstock, it's pretty much nothing. Up by the headstock, it's pretty much nothing. You can see in the back. Can you see that little ridge at the bottom? It's harder to see. It's a little bit of a ridge by 1/8 inch up. No, maybe not. Maybe you can see that. It's not much. It's even less on the back. It's about 1 thou. Can you see it? Oh, so let me go on the back of the lathe. Okay, you really see it there. Well, no, you can't. There you go. You can kind of see where that V-way stops. Kind of see it right. Oh my God, it sucks to see this. Yeah, you can see it there. It's a line about 1/8 inch from the bottom, because there's some black rust discoloration there. Yeah, you can see that wear line, and it kind of goes and dissipates. Focus. And then, here, let's just move it up. You can kind of see. And like I said, it's not much, but it causes this thing to go up and down a bit. So, how does 3/1000ths in vertical height change translate into the height change of, you know, when the cutting tool changes vertical height 3/1000ths, how does that translate into a diameter? Probably not much. But anyhow, yeah, this is showing you everything here on Doozer Shop. Damn, this is so nice. So nice I got this clean. Look at that scraping. Man, look at this. Look at that scraping. It's gorgeous. And this thing was all solid rust. Anyhow, all right, I've been babbling, but that's kind of what we've been playing with, working on, is getting this carriage on here and doing some measurements, and it moves easy. There's no oil on there. I just put some Hope's number 9 gun cleaning solvent and just wiped everything down so it's dry on dry with just that gun cleaner protecting on it. I could talk forever about this, but I won't. So first time in about 13 years that this saddle has been married up to this bed and everything's clean. If you remember, I should post some pictures in this. When I got this lathe, it was rust like it was sunk with the Titanic. I mean, this thing was rusty. So it's come a long way, and I've moved from Buffalo to Charlotte and brought it with me, and life got in the way of completing it after the derusting and the painting. But I'm on the home stretch now, I think, so we'll keep putting it back together. I'll bring you more.